This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lin Miller. Gorgeous two-story penthouse condo with bold views of downtown and the Elizabeth River. Spacious floor plan with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Luxurious appointments and recent upgrades include Brazilian Cherry Hardwood floors, open center island kitchen layout with custom cabinetry and upscale appliances. Updated spa-like primary bathroom with custom shower and double sink vanity. Other notable features include custom built-ins, new HVAC, gas log fireplace, large balcony and garage parking. Shown by appointment only with 24-hour notice. For more information, review the details below.